G'day, just a quick little clip. I know I've already done Corellas before, but this time there's geez, they're weird. Look at this guy, hilarious. This time there's quite a decent flock of them grazing on the grass seeds here on this bit of lawn in a park, and you can see there's quite a few of them, but just watching them is hilarious. I'm not really sure what these guys are up to when they're not eating or mating. They're carrying them like pork chops. You'll see them picking up things and rolling over with them on their backs, like a kitten with a ball of wool or something. They chase each other and they do little mock attacks on each other, and it's really funny. They call the self-crested cockatoo the clowns of the air, but these guys are worthy of the same title for sure. And every time I move the camera, there's another one doing something silly. I wish I could have this in a panoramic view, so I could show you what these guys get up to. Look at this one here. Look at this one. You see what I mean about, they pick things up and then they'll literally play with it. It's no purpose apart from amusement. And as I said before with the ravens, that shows, oh, there they go. That shows amazing intelligence. And then just as one, they'll leap into the air and come back again. Anyway, some more Corella behaviour. These are the short-billed Corellas, by the way. There's another variety that has a really long hooked top mandible, would speak. I've never seen one in the wild. There you go. Crazy Corellas. Aussie birds rock.